Hey everyone, you might have noticed as you've logged into your new Canvas classes that they might look a little bit different because of the new update. So if you're wanting to relink some of your buttons on your Canvas homepage, it might look a little bit different than last semester. So let's say I wanted to change this office hours Zoom link to my new Zoom meeting page, or I wanted to relink this modules button to a different module, or I wanted to relink this syllabus quiz to my new syllabus quiz. You're going to go up to the edit button. What you need to do is, if any of these buttons already are linked from a previous class when you copied it over, you have to remove the link first before you can relink it. So I'm going to go up to the link button. I'm going to remove the link. And then when I click back on the button that I want to relink, I can go back up to the link button. You could either link it to an external link or a course link. I'm going to link it to a course link because I want to relink it to my new Zoom office hours page. So if you can see, it gives me a bunch of different options in my course to link it to. I can link this button to a page, an assignment, a quiz, an announcement. Maybe I want to link it to a discussion, or here's where I can link it to any of the modules in my course. For this particular button, I want to link it to the page that has my Zoom information on it. So I'm going to go down to Pages. I'm going to find my office hours and Zoom page, and I'm going to link it to that page. You can see that it highlighted real quick, and that showed me that it relinked it to my new virtual office hours Zoom page. I'm going to go down to Save, and so now that button should be linked to my new Zoom page. Hopefully that helps.